Hello, data enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a crucial technique that can transform the way you manage, edit, and analyze your data. Let's get started. Data segmentation involves dividing your data into smaller parts or segments based on specific criteria. This can be anything from demographic details in a marketing dataset to time periods in sales data. Segmenting your data sheet isn't just about organization, it's about making your data work for you. Breaking down a complex data set into manageable chunks makes it easier to focus on specific aspects without distraction. You can quickly identify errors and make edits without sifting through thousands of rows of irrelevant data. Segmented data allows for more precise analysis. You can identify trends and patterns that are specific to each segment, leading to more accurate insights. From editing to analyzing, a well-segmented data sheet not only saves time, but also leads to smarter, data-driven decisions. Consider using specialized data analysis software like DataXrop, our new Google Sheets extension that helps you create, edit, and manage segments easily. Thanks for watching.